Okay, it's about 10 minutes later, and it's snowing a lot harder. And this is so Kylie can see snow at Gigi's house. See all the snow, Kylie? Gigi wishes you were here so she could play with you in the snow. I miss you very much, Kylie. My little chiggerbug. There's Lexi coming in from the snow. Yeah, it's snowing, Lexi. It's snowing. See, Lexi's got snow on her. Yeah, it's snowing, Lexi.